I'll show you how to check your computer specs. This includes how much storage you have, your RAM, your CPU, and GPU. So first, go to this search bar and look up settings. Click on settings. In settings, you want to go to system and then scroll all the way down to about. In here, you can see how much storage you have, your GPU, your RAM, and your CPU. To see how much is currently being used, go to your taskbar and right click, and then click on Task Manager. In Task Manager, you want to go to Performance, and now you can see your CPU and your memory.